jail in Pune.
On this day in 1904, revolutionary freedom fighter Mahavir Singh Rathore was born in Etah district of Uttar Pradesh. He was first drawn to the freedom struggle when he was studying in class 6th. Singh was a member of Naujawan Bharat Sabha. He was the one who helped in the escape of Bhagat Singh, Batukeshwar Dutt and Durga Devi from Mauzan House in Lahore. He was arrested as part of the second Lahore conspiracy case.
Mahavir Singh Rathore took part in the hunger strike of 1933 to protest against the treatment of prisoners. He died during the hunger strike in cellular jail of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. His father, Devi Singh, had once said, "Knowing that you are fighting for the country proves that we have not accepted slavery from our hearts. Now that you are on the path to freedom, don't look back and never betray your associates."
16th September is also the death anniversary of Tarokeshwar Sengupta. He took part in the Chittagong Armory raid. In the mid-1930s, revolutionary activity in Bengal was at its peak. From the Chittagong Armory raid to the invasion of the Writers' Building, the British Raj was feeling the heat. One of the most daredevil acts organized in the history of the Indian revolutionary movement was the Chittagong Armory raid. On 18th April 1930, a band of 63 people, most of them teenagers led by Shurjo Sen, raided the police and auxiliary forces armory in the Chittagong district and liberated it from British control, unfurling the Indian flag. Though the Chittagong revolutionaries failed in their immediate objective, it helped galvanizing youngsters.
The massive police crackdown that followed resulted in many being detained. Some of them being detained at Hejali detention camp near Kharagpur. The Hejali detention camp was a majestic double-storied structure with a tower in the center. The entire campus was secured by double gates and a 10 feet high wall and barbed wire fencing. Even as escape was considered impossible, 3 did manage to run away. This made the authorities tighten the security.
On September 16, 1931, a group of guards opened fire and cracked the skulls of some prisoners with their rifle butts. Freedom fighters Tarokeshwar Sengupta and Santosh Mitra were shot dead in the tumult. The inmates were shocked, and one of the detainees, Himanshu Boshu, made a pencil sketch of both the victims and sent it to the editor of Anandabazar Putrika. After the report came out, Jyotindra Mohan Sengupta and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose went to Hijli to take over the dead bodies. They organized a big procession at Calcutta on their way to the crematorium. Disappointed with the deaths, poet laureate Rabindranath Tagore composed the poem Proshno.
Bhagavan, তুমি যুগে যুগে দূত পাঠায়েছো বারে বারে দয়াহীন সংসারে। তারা বলে গেল ক্ষমা করো সবে, বলে গেল ভালোবাসো, অন্তর হতে বিদ্বেষ বিষ নাশো। বরণীয় তারা, স্মরণীয় তারা, তবুও বাহিরে তারে আজ দুর্দিনে ফেরানো তাদের ব্যর্থ নমস্কার।
Do you know the country's first IIT, that is IIT Kharagpur, is built on this detention camp? In 1950, one of the top engineering colleges of India started functioning from 5 Esplanade East in Kolkata. But later it was decided that they needed a bigger and peaceful location. So they chose a complex at Hijli that was about 150 kilometers far from Kolkata.
On September 16, 1932, in his cell at Yerwada jail in Pune, Mahatma Gandhi began a hunger strike in protest of the British government's decision to separate India's electoral system by caste. He was in jail after being arrested for the civil disobedience movement he launched after his return from England, where he attended the Round Table Conference. In September 1932, Gandhi announced he was beginning a fast unto death in order to protest the British move to have separate electorate for the downtrodden. Gandhi believed this would permanently and unfairly divide India's society.
The swearing in of new